Hello, I'm Mr. Bryan, Finance Team Mentor for CougarTech, Team 2228. Why would you consider joining the Finance Sub-Team? Well, I have a couple reasons for you. Number one, we control the budget. We work with all sub-teams in the budget each year, looking at what we spent last year, what we plan to spend this year. Then throughout the year, we will track actual to budget, let sub-teams know when they've spent too much money, or if they need something, they may be able to borrow from budget from another team. We also help with sponsor payments. As people make commitments to us, we track when they come in and send thank you letters. Which brings us to another thing we do in finance, the sponsors. We do a lot to maintain our current sponsors. It's much easier to keep a sponsor year after year than to go out and obtain new ones each year. We send out a newsletter every 2 months to our sponsors, monthly during competition season. It's about a short 2-page document with information about what the team is up to, how we're doing in competition, how our robot is coming, and other things about our team, such as graduating seniors, where they're going to college, fundraisers maybe have coming up, and other events our team members may be involved in. This is very important to us to keep those sponsors. In addition, we work to develop relationships with new sponsors. This may include sending out information about our team, what they can get for sponsorship levels, and sometimes we even go present to new sponsors as an opportunity for the team. We'll bring along a number of team members who can talk about different facets of the team, including the fact that we run a business with a nice budget for a team of our size. Also, the finance team has a competition award. You may not think that finance team would have a competition award, but we do. There's a business plan contest at competitions. In the past, we had a business plan that was over 20 pages long, but 2 years ago, the rules were changed, and now it is a 3-page summary business plan with 3 pages of appendix. So our challenge was to take a 20-page document, get it down to 3 pages, very concise. And while CougarTech has won the award in the past, it's been a while, and we could use your help to get there this year. Now, for any parents watching, I'm going to throw some buzzwords out, and kids, you might like these too. But you will learn transferable skills in finance. Communications with sub-teams, internal communications, with our leadership group, internal communications, with new sponsors and potential sponsors, external communications. A lot of communication work, both written and verbal. Sales development, trying to get new sponsors. We're trying to sell them why they should invest in CougarTech, what it does for our students, how it helps them progress throughout their career. And finally, presentation skills, both presenting to potential sponsors, others in the team, externally to at competition. So there's a lot of skills your child can learn, or you, in the finance team. Hope to see you this fall.